Hello, my name is Scott Murphy. I'm an instructor here at NBCC St. John. We're going to talk a little bit about the Mechanical Technician Co-op program. It's a 3-year co-op. It's involved with industry partners throughout the province, where you have the opportunity to go out and demonstrate the skills and practice the skills that you've attained here at the college during your time of study. You can think of your co-op work term placement as a 3-month or 4-month long interview process. So it's a time for you guys to shine, to show your skills, develop and enhance the skills upon what you've already learned here at the college. It's a very theory-based course. You learn physics, mathematics, blueprint reading, communications, along with all the other shop-based course material. We're standing today in the machine shop where you'll learn how to run an engine lathe. Behind, to my right hand side here is a milling machine. When you first come in, you learn basic tools, hand tools and measuring tools, which will enable you to do what I'm holding here, one of the first projects. It's a basic project and it demonstrates the skill on how to use a bandsaw safely, demonstrates the skill of the theory that you learn on how to use a drill press to drill, ream, tap holes, and to be able to accurately measure things in the field. When you're at the workplace, we teach you precision measurement, and I'm holding a set of dial calipers here. So this will lead into the other fields, that we cover off here with the program, such as hydraulics. We get into pumps. We do vibration analysis. We do alignments on pumps. We cover off conveyor systems, where you'll learn to be able to adjust and get a conveyor to track properly, because depending on your place of employment, you'll be working around conveyors and rollers. So there's a vast amount of knowledge that you're going to consume and learn here in the 3 years at NBCC. It's a great course. It's partnered with industries such as Power Commission. You can work in oil refineries. You have manufacturing industries, food processing industries, pulp and paper mills, and the such. So when you graduate from the course, you enter into an agreement with the province. You can write their first block of the apprenticeship program, which is something we're not going to get too deep into, but the apprenticeship is usually over a 4-year period, where at the end you get a license here in the province as an industrial mechanic / millwright. So the Mechanical Technician program allows you to go out and work in industry. You could end up being in a supervisory role. You could end up as an operator. You could be on the maintenance crew at a mill or at a refinery. The opportunities are endless. And once you're out there and you're established, you can specialize in different areas. So you can take your trade to a whole new height. You can specialize in hydraulics, you can specialize in vibration analysis, you can specialize in alignment. So the Mechanical Technician program is a really great program here at the college. If I was a better videographer, I'd be able to take you through our whole shop, but today we're just in the machine shop. So I think we'll end that video here. Can't wait to see us here at NBCC. We'll talk to you later.